Unlocking the secrets of compost accelerators. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, compost accelerator. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or simply curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's unravel the layers of meaning behind compost accelerators and discover their significance in both linguistic and practical terms. Before we delve into the specifics of compost accelerators, it's essential to grasp the fundamental concepts involved. Compost is a type of organic matter that has been decomposed and recycled as a fertilizer and soil amendment. It is a key ingredient in organic farming and gardening, enriching the soil and helping plants grow. An accelerator, in general English, refers to anything that speeds up a process or causes it to happen more quickly. When we combine these two terms, we get a fascinating concept. A compost accelerator is a substance or mixture that speeds up the decomposition of organic matter in a compost pile. It's like adding a catalyst to a chemical reaction. It makes things happen faster. Compost accelerators can be commercially prepared products or homemade concoctions, typically containing microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi that break down organic matter. The main reason to use a compost accelerator is to reduce the time it takes for compost to mature. Normally, composting can take anywhere from a few months to over a year, depending on various factors like the materials used, the weather, and the composting method. By adding an accelerator, you can enjoy rich, nutritious compost in a fraction of the time. Using a compost accelerator is surprisingly simple. If you're using a commercial product, follow the manufacturer's instructions. Generally, you'll mix the accelerator with water and sprinkle it over your compost pile. For homemade accelerators, ingredients might include things like nettle tea, coffee grounds, or even urine, which are rich in nitrogen and help boost microbial activity. Benefits of using a compost accelerator include not only faster compost production but also improved compost quality, with a richer nutrient profile that's excellent for your garden. However, it's important to consider that not all compost piles need an accelerator. Proper balance, aeration, and moisture can often achieve similar results without additional products. And there you have it, a closer look at compost accelerators and their role in the gardening world. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic and perhaps inspired you to try your hand at composting. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing words and grammar, it's also about understanding the context and culture behind the language. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy composting and happy learning!